Good morning, ma'am. Good morning,
Morning,
Good morning, ma'am.
children. So, last class, okay, we have discussed about the people, okay, or the organization, name of some organizations, okay, who is working, yeah, who work to protect
United
human rights.
Nations.
Yes,
United Nations.
human rights. Okay, and we have discussed about
United Nations.
Vigil India movement.
Ma'am,
Okay, Vigil
United Nations.
India movement we have discussed.
Dr. M.A.
Yeah,
Thomas.
in which year it was established, children?
1977.
1977. It was
1977.
established in the year 1977. Okay, to create awareness about human rights.
Human rights.
Yes. And who is the founder?
M.A. Thomas.
Dr. M.A. Thomas, and this was the logo of Vigil India movement. Okay, so Vigil India movement, okay, was established in the year 1977 to create awareness, okay, to promote awareness about human rights. Okay, children, is that point is clear to
Yes,
you?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Then we have discussed about honor for women national
Yes, ma'am.
campaign.
Manasi Pradhan.
Yes.
2009.
Okay, it was founded
20
by
violence against
Manasi Pradhan in the year
Pradhan.
2009. Okay, in the year 2009, it was founded by
Ma'am, then we discussed
Manasi
about the United
Pradhan.
Nations.
Okay, that means when we hear the name, okay, itself we would understood about it. Is it, children? That is, this organization works to end violence against women. Okay, so see, children, women, okay, women in our society, they are experiencing, okay,
Ma'am, in
different types of
community also, ma'am.
yes,
Community.
yes, different
The
type of means
violence.
harassment, yes, violence in their life every day.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
in every day
In
they are
community it
facing
is
some types
happening.
of
So
many
many
people are
communities.
trying to misuse, okay, misuse all this one. So here she is working, Manasi Pradhan, she worked to protect, okay, the woman, or to end, he struggled to end the violence against the woman. Okay,
Still she is
what was the
doing
name
that.
of the lady? What was the name of the
Manasi
lady?
Pradhan.
Manasi
Manasi
Pradhan.
Pradhan. Okay, and in which year it was established?
2009.
2009.
Yeah, Shreya, tell me. Oh, yes,
And
2009.
still she is doing the protection for women.
Ah, yes. Okay, trying to
She is
2009.
protect
doing.
or to end violence against the
The woman.
woman.
In
Okay, that
communities
means
and
if
the
such cases are reported, she will find out a solution and she will try to help the woman. And I have told, okay, so Manasi Pradhan, okay, she was the lady behind this organization. It was founded in the year 2009, okay, to end violence against women.
Woman.
Can you in the chat also, chat box also it is so.
Okay.
Medha Patkar.
Yes. Now we will see also we have discussed about a lady or a woman. Okay. Now Vigil India movement and
Medha
national
Patkar.
for yes. See, children, Vigil India movement and honor for women's national campaign. It all are organizations. Okay. Medha Patkar, she is okay a lady.
Narmada River. Bachao, help.
Yeah,
Bachao
to
and
work to
Cholan.
protect the people. Okay, see, children, I have told you if a dam is being constructed,
In
it
Narmada,
needs
ma'am.
huge areas for its construction.
Yes,
Yes,
Okay,
it will be not
so
allowed for
see,
that.
children, we know that already some people were staying in that area. Okay, means if the government is planning to build a dam, okay, there it may be a home to many people. Is it? Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
that time, what the government will do, they will ask that people to shift from that place to another.
another house.
Okay, so if they were shifting from that place, it will affect their life because their children, they were studying in nearby school, they were working in nearby institutions and all. Okay, so if they want to, means they need to find out a suitable home and and all. Okay, so if means if people, if they want to shift from that place to one another place, okay, it is very difficult for them. Okay, and
Hard
sometimes
to find.
sometimes there may be poor people. Okay,
Yes,
maybe
ma'am.
some
No
people-
money, nothing. Sometimes leg and all broken people will be there.
Okay.
can't
So
be.
here in this Mehta Patkar, she worked hard to protect Dharmata, Bachavo and Tolan to
Yes, ma'am.
protect the
To
river.
help.
Yes. Okay.
Can
Those
you help?
people, those who are residing.
In Narmada, it was there were building a dam for that.
Yes, Narmada, they were building a dam. Okay, so the people were asked to shift to that place to another place. Okay.
Ma'am,
Ah.
ma'am, can you say the meaning of Narmada, Bachao, Andolan?
See, to save Narmada river. Narmada, it is the name of the river. It is in MP, Madhya Pradesh. Okay, children. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
So
Okay,
it is a Hindi word. Actually, it is a
Hindi word. Bachavo means help.
Bachao, to save.
Bachavo is
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Helping me.
Yeah. Narmada, Bachao, and Tolan. That means
Help
to help
Narmada.
Narmada.
That is the
Okay,
English
yes.
word.
So work to help people who have suffered due to the building of a dam in Narmada.
Narmada.
Okay.
Dam.
Yes, dam. Here some spelling errors were there. So she worked to help people who have suffered, because if a dam is being constructed, the people, okay, a mass means, or a large number of people means they need to move from that area to another area. So she just helped them.
Ma'am,
Okay, she,
if they didn't move, it will be arrest.
because they need to move from that place. Sometimes the government will find out a solution for their problems, but sometimes they need to
Ma'am,
do
sometimes
for
they
themselves.
will give any home to them and all.
No, they will find out a
Yes,
solution. That means, yes, sometimes not home. You see, homes and all are giving only for those who are affected by any natural calamities and all. Means if any earthquakes or any flood, okay, or something. See, children, recently in Kerala we have experienced
Flood relief, ma'am. Flood relief.
flood
For
relief,
that, so many
and
kit
also
and all were come.
Pettimudi incident. Have you seen it, children? Pettimudi
No, ma'am.
earthquake has
No, ma'am.
happened.
Earthquake, no, ma'am.
Yes. And many lost their life. Many means
Ma'am,
I think.
in Indonesia, tsunami it was come to Kerala.
Yes.
That
See,
for
children,
that, so
here
many
in
people died.
India, it was in Munnar, near to Munnar, this
Yes, ma'am.
Pettimudi.
So,
Okay, so many,
ma'am, mountain
many
and all.
lost their life.
Mountain.
Munnar
Yes.
I know, ma'am.
Yeah.
Mountain was
Okay,
fallen.
so many lost their life. So the government just means offered land for them, and also sometimes they will also get shelter. Okay, so and also so many people, those who lost last means during the time of last year, heavy flood was there. Children.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
That time also one incident was happened. It is the government will try to means build homes for them. Okay. So here she just helped them. Okay, and
Ma'am,
one
government
last.
give
Now
kit and
also
all.
she is helping them
Yes.
and another dam.
See, children, at that time, that means 2000. One more important person we need to discuss, that is Sundarlal Bahuguna. Here you can see the picture of him.
Sundarlal Bahuguna.
Yes, Sundarlal Bahuguna. Okay.
Bahuguna.
Sundarlal Bahuguna. Okay. See, children, Sundarlal Bahuguna is an environmentalist. What do you mean by environmentalist?
Ma'am, those who take plant and all, ma'am, plant.
Those who love the nature. Okay,
Yes,
those
ma'am,
who love
plants.
the environment.
Plants, ma'am. Plants and so many trees.
Okay, those who work to protect the environment.
Plants and animals. Plants and animals.
Yes.
Like a
Okay, because
security
children,
For cutting
if
trees
any
and all, they will not allow it.
pollution or something, if it's happen, okay, it will pollute the environment. Okay, the atmosphere.
Yes, in Delhi, it was happened in May.
In the
Yeah.
background
Taj Mahal was
itself,
broken.
it is
Taj Mahal.
environment
Ah,
full of flowers.
Okay, so he is one of the founder of the Chipko movement. Chipko movement. Chipko movement. Chipko means to hug. What do you mean by hug?
Ma'am, giving hug.
Yes, we are giving hug to each other, right?
Catching.
Yes, to hold in our
Express
arm.
the-
Okay, here to hug means to protect our environment.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
to protect our environment or to hold our atmosphere or environment. It works for the protection of the forest in Uttarakhand. Okay, he
Only
tried to,
Uttarakhand.
yes, he tried to
Uttarakhand.
protect the forest. Okay, environmentalists usually
Ma'am,
they were doing the same thing. They will try
so
to, means if
many,
any,
excuse me, ma'am.
yeah,
So many things were happened. Environmenting, trees and
if
animals all were dead for that.
deforestation, if
Yes,
we
ma'am.
cut
Cutting
trees,
trees are
if we
those.
cut trees, it will affect the
For
atmosphere,
that,
is it?
for like this
Yes,
way,
ma'am.
people
Ratio
will
of
take
oxygen, the ratio
against
of
them.
oxygen will be
Against them.
reduced.
Here,
Yes, ma'am.
And
was
if
full
we
of that.
burn something, that means if we burn coal, fuel, means if we burn something, it will add millions of carbon dioxide into the air. If the
Yes,
ratio of
ma'am.
carbon dioxide
Amazon.
is more, what will happen, you know, children?
We will all dead. So
Breathe
That
that.
we
temperature, the
will never
temperature
get
will
oxygen.
rise up.
Yes.
Did you
We will
studied
breathe
about
that.
global warming, children? Global warming?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Don't worry, you will study. I will tell you. That means global warming means that the heat, okay, the heat or the temperature of the earth, okay, it began to rise up. Okay, that is what we call as global warming, because if we cut the trees and if we burn something and because of the
Yes, ma'am. Plastic and all.
yes, if we burn plastics,
It
coal,
will be.
okay, all these things,
Carbon dioxide will
yes,
produce
it
by
will add
Some people,
carbon dioxide
excuse me,
into the
ma'am.
air.
Some people in
fresh air.
near houses and all, they'll put fire
See,
and all.
children, there
So
is a
carbon
perfect
dioxide.
ratio between these all gases. That means,
Ma'am,
have you studied
mention
about photosynthesis?
Yes, ma'am. Photosynthesis. It
So
will
while
absorb the
preparing
sun,
the food, plants, what the plants will do?
absorb
Plants
the
will
sun's heat.
absorb.
Sun's heat.
Sun's heat water from the
Okay,
soil.
which gas you know?
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
They will absorb carbon dioxide and releases
Oxygen.
Oxygen.
It will, okay. So children, Sundarlal Bahuguna, okay, he was an environmentalist. Okay, he was an environmentalist and he is one of the founder of the Chipko movement. The word Chipko, what is the word meaning of Chipko?
Hug.
Okay, that means to protect. Okay,
to
and
hold the environment.
yeah, yes, and it works for the protection of the forest in Uttarakhand. He believes, okay, in Mahatma Gandhi's philosophy of non-violence. He believed in non-violence. Okay, he did not believe in violence, and he
Believed in
was
non-violence.
awarded, that is very important, children, Padma Vibhushan. That is an award given to, yes, Padma Vibhushan. That is an award given to some famous personalities. Yes. Padma Vibhushan in the year 2009.
2009.
Yes, Padma Vibhushan is an award given to some famous personalities. Okay, for the
Good
year.
personality.
Okay, so it was in the year
Ma'am,
2009.
it was an Oscar.
Awarded Padma Vibhushan. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
all,
Yes.
someone's audio is cracking.
So,
These means we have discussed about two important organizations to work to protect the human right, and also we have discussed about Medha Patkar and also about Sundarlal Bahuguna. Okay, so these all person and many other institutions also are working. Okay, as a person means as an individual and also as means as an organization, as a group work. Okay, teamwork. They are working to protect and
Ma'am,
promote
nowadays so many
human
people
rights.
are killing the nature.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye.